Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and smash the bonus boards in Forza Horizon 6. Now, as you can see in front of me, this is one of the bonus XP boards. It is a 1000 XP one, so it's got this green color, and all you need to do is just simply drive into them, and as you can see, it will get smashed and you will collect however much XP is labeled on it. That's how much XP you'll get. Now, these bonus boards can be found all around the map. There are 3 different variations. There are 1000 XP, 3000 XP, and 5000 XP, each of which are increasingly more difficult to get. So the 1000 XP ones are the most easy to get, and the 5000 XP ones being the most difficult to get. You can find them around the map. If you take a look on the screen now, there will be these little H symbols scattered around the map. So take a look, and wherever you find a little H, there will be a bonus board in the area, and all you need to do is drive into it. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next. See ya.